The piston O-ring seals the piston to the cylinder. The seal allows for pressure in the cylinder when the gun is fired. This pressure drives the piston down the cylinder. Over time, the O-ring will wear, and the seal will be lost, or not drive at all. Replacing the piston O-ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cap from the nail gun. It's secured with 4 screws. Now I can remove the driver. Now I can remove the old O-ring. Now install the new piston O-ring. First, I'll apply a little grease to the O-ring. In this case, I'm using a silicone grease. I'll install the O-ring over the piston. And now this assembly is ready to go back into the cylinder. I'll align the driver with the opening in the nose piece. Once aligned, I'll tap the piston down in with the back of a screwdriver. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the cap. First the gasket, and then the cap. And I'll secure the cap with the screws. And that's how you can install a new piston O-ring on your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.